I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chutney using rambutan. To start, I'll place a pan on the stove and add about a cup of water. First, let that heat up, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. Next, add some black pepper powder, adjusting it to your taste. Then add some chili powder. If you prefer it quite spicy, you can add a bit more. Just keep an eye on the heat level as we go. Now I'm adding sugar. I'm using brown sugar for this recipe. If your rambutans are very sweet, you won't need to add much sugar. But if they have a bit of a sour tang, you'll need a little extra. I'm adding about 6 to 7 teaspoons here. Give everything a good stir to combine. As the mixture starts to come to a boil, I'm adding a piece of cinnamon and about 3 cardamom pods. I've already peeled the rambutans and sliced them in half. Now I'll add them into the pan. I'm just making a small batch today. Now, we need to keep stirring this and let it heat through until the water reduces significantly. We should keep it on the stove until the mixture thickens into a nice syrupy consistency. While it's cooking, I'm going to take 2 forks and gently prick the rambutan pieces. I actually forgot to do this earlier. Ideally, you should prick the rambutans before putting them in the pan, but doing it now works too. Pricking them allows all those spicy, salty, and sweet flavors to really soak deep into the fruit. So remember to use a fork to prick them well, either now or before you start. Just hold them with one fork and prick with the other, like this. This needs to thicken up a lot more. It's not quite ready yet. Now it's reached the perfect consistency. When you move the spoon through and can clearly see the bottom of the pan, you know it's ready. It's at the right stage now, and it will set and thicken even more as it cools down. Now I'll turn off the stove. Once it's off the heat, I'm going to add just a squeeze of lime juice. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. A big thank you to everyone who watched and listened.